Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Colors of Mathematics. Today we are going to solve a word problem, and the problem is David had 5/9 of an apple pie. He ate 1/3 of it. What fraction of the David's pie was left? So let's start. So just look at this rectangle. It represents the whole apple pie, and it has been divided into 9 equal parts, and each part is called 1/9. So this much part is 1/9 of the apple pie. These are 2/9, 3/9, 4/9 and 5/9. So our David is having only this much of the apple pie. He has 5/9 of the apple pie, and he ate 1/3 of his apple pie. So we can see we have 5 parts. He has only these 5 parts, and he has to eat 1/3 of this. So to find out 1/3 of this, we need to divide each part into 3 equal parts. So let's see how to do it. So we have divided the apple pie into 3 equal parts. Now let's just concentrate on the pie that David is having. This is 5/9 of the apple pie, and David has eaten 1/3 of it. That means when I have divided these 5 parts into 3 equal parts, he has eaten 1 part out of it. That means 2/3 of his apple pie is left of David's apple pie is left. You can see that 2/3 of David's apple pie is left. Even if we can also think about this question by reading the statement and without drawing the diagram. So if we look at this question, David had 5/9 of an apple pie and he ate 1/3 of it. So we will get an expression 5/9 minus 1/3. What are we taking away? We are taking away 1/3 of 5/9. We are not taking away 1/3 of whole. We are taking away 1/3 of the apple pie which David is having. So now let's solve this. We will have 5/9 minus 5/27, and in the next step we will make equivalent fractions to solve this subtraction. So we will have 15/27 minus 5/27, which will be equal to 10/27. Now 10/27 of the whole pie is left. But David was having 5/9 of the pie. So we will do 10/27 divided by 5/9. This is the share which David was having, and this much is left. So when you do this, what do you get? You can make equivalent fractions. 10/27 divided by 15/27. Now they are of the same kind, like both are 27s, 10 pieces and 15 pieces, they are of the same kind. So we can simply do 10 divided by 15, which will be equal to 10/15, which will be equal to 2/3. So 2/3 of David's apple pie is left. So I hope it is clear. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.